Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Concepts of Commerce, your virtual learning platform for all the concepts relating to commerce stream. My name is Deepshika Gandhi. So today I'm going to discuss advantages or merits any company receives by implementing ERP in the company. सबसे पहले रियल टाइम इंफॉर्मेशन. अगर आप ERP यूज करते हैं यू विल सी रियल टाइम अपडेट्स ऑन दैट, बिकॉज बहुत बार अगर आप मैनुअली चीजें करते हैं, फाइल्स में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं, ऐसा होता है कि आप वीकली या डे एंड पर रिकॉर्डिंग करते हैं, बट ERP पर यू गेट रियल टाइम अपडेट. जैसे ही कोई ट्रांजैक्शन होगी इट विल बी अपडेटेड ऑन द ERP. और if there is certain notice, it will be updated on the ERP on real time basis. मतलब कि जैसे जैसे चीजें चेंज होती जाएंगी, it will start reflecting on the ERP. So it can be very beneficial for taking important decisions in the enterprise. सेकेंड इज सेंट्रलाइज्ड सिस्टम. दैट मीन्स एक ही जगह पर सब कुछ अवेलेबल होना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू नीड टू टेक अ डिसीजन अबाउट परचेजेस. आप सीधा स्टॉक पर क्लिक करेंगे, यू विल सी द नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स यू आर हैविंग इन द कंपनी. और अगर आपको डिसाइड करना है वेदर यू हैव द फंड्स अवेलेबल टू बाय द रिक्वायर्ड क्वांटिटी, अगर स्टॉक में कुछ भी कम है, यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो टू द फाइनेंस एंड यू कैन चेक वेदर द फाइनेंस इज अवेलेबल और नॉट. And similarly, in educational institutions, students keep on checking their attendances, marks, etc. on ERP. So it becomes a centralized system for the students as well as the faculties, wherein they can see the daily homeworks updated, attendances, marks, and other notices available. Smoother supply chain management. So ERP implementation also helps you to have a smoother or better functioning supply chain management in the organization. अगर आपका सब डेटा ERP पर है, it will help you to choose better cycle for supply chain as well. You can take better decisions regarding your supply chain, choosing your best cycle to deliver. It will help you a lot in sending invoices to the customer time to time, and you don't need to close down the business for non-working days because ERP is working 24/7. So you can be informed and keep others informed about what is happening, the status, etc. through ERP, and it will help you to have a smoother supply chain management in the organization. Satisfied customers. So ERP ना ही सिर्फ आपके बिजनेस को हेल्प करता है in increasing your efficiency, but it takes care of your clients as well. So it helps you a lot in CRM, that is customer relationship management, because with ERP you have everything available at just one click. So अगर आपको कोई भी information चाहिए regarding your customers specifications, or you need to send them some information, you can do that very simply by just one click on ERP. So it helps you in maintaining better relations with your customers as well. And in today's business world, we can understand that customer is the king. So if you keep your customer satisfied by providing them timely information and working according to their specifications, it will help you a lot in the long run, not only in increasing your profits, but to have a better brand image also. Saves a lot of time and increases the efficiency. So efficiency कैसे increase होती है? जो अभी तक आपका टाइम जा रहा था in recording and analyzing the data, वो सब ERP आपके लिए कर देगा. You just have to put the transaction or the entry on ERP and it is done. So it saves a lot of time of the admin and clerical work of every person in the department, because now they will be saved by making a lot of entries and they can simply put the entry on the ERP. So when they are saving a lot of time by reducing their clerical work, it will be helpful in increasing their efficiency in productive works in the enterprise.